Did you know that every time you walk through an airport, you're being psychologically manipulated to spend more money? Today I'm revealing 12 insider secrets that airports and airlines desperately hope you'll never discover, especially if you're a senior traveler. These aren't just travel tips. They're game-changing strategies that could save you hundreds of dollars and countless headaches on your next flight. Before we start exposing these hidden tricks, hit that subscribe button because the travel industry will never share this information voluntarily. Drop a comment with the number 1 if you've ever felt like airports were designed to confuse you, or 0 if you think you've got it all figured out. Trust me, by the end of this video, even the most experienced travelers will see airports in a completely different light. Let's begin with something you probably never noticed but experience every single time you fly. Have you ever wondered why airport gates feel strangely relaxing? Those lower ceilings, soft carpeting, and dimmed lighting aren't accidents. Airport designers discovered that calmer passengers spend significantly more money in shops and restaurants. When you're feeling relaxed and comfortable in those cushioned seats, your guard is down and your wallet is more likely to open. This psychological manipulation is so effective that studies show relaxed travelers spend up to 10% more than stressed ones. Here's another trick that's hiding in plain sight. Ever notice how you can never walk directly to your gate? Instead, you're forced through winding corridors packed with duty-free shops, perfume counters, and chocolate displays. This maze-like design is called the Golden Walk strategy, and it's purely intentional. Airport planners know that even small impulse purchases from thousands of tired travelers add up to billions in revenue annually. Senior travelers are particularly vulnerable to this browsing trap because you have more time and patience to wander. Now let me ask you something that might shock you. Do you always photograph your luggage before checking it in? Most people don't, and that's a costly mistake. Once your suitcase disappears behind that conveyor belt, it enters a completely automated system where human oversight vanishes. Your bag travels through a maze of scanners and sorting machines that rely entirely on barcode accuracy. If an old airline sticker from a previous trip confuses the scanner, your luggage could end up on the wrong continent while you're heading somewhere completely different. The smartest senior travelers use 2 simple protection strategies. First, always snap a clear photo of your bag at check-in so airline staff can search more effectively if it goes missing. Second, invest in a small GPS tracker or AirTag to hide inside your luggage. Many travelers who thought their bags were lost forever were able to locate them independently and pressure airlines into faster delivery. Without these precautions, you're completely at the mercy of an imperfect automated system. And while we're talking about protecting yourself when you travel, don't forget to protect your entire trip too. I always recommend getting travel insurance before flying, especially for seniors. Generali Travel Insurance is one of the few that covers trip delays, medical emergencies, and lost baggage all in one plan. It only takes a minute to get a quick quote online. I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out before your next trip. Here's something that might change how you think about airline food forever. That meal tray in front of you was planned months or even a full year before your flight. Airlines test every ingredient obsessively and cut costs wherever possible. One major carrier famously saved $40,000 annually just by removing a single olive from their salads. Multiply that across millions of flights, and you understand why airline food seems so basic. But here's the real secret about airplane meals. Your taste buds literally stop functioning properly at cruising altitude. The low pressure and dry air can reduce your ability to taste by up to 30%. That's why airlines load everything with extra salt and artificial flavoring. For seniors who need to monitor sodium intake for blood pressure or heart health, this hidden salt bomb can be genuinely dangerous. Pack your own light, healthy snacks like unsalted nuts or homemade granola bars to avoid this trap. Ever been pulled aside at security for that mysterious hand swab test? Most travelers think it's checking for cleanliness or germs, but those machines are actually detecting trace chemicals linked to explosives. If you've been gardening recently or used certain hand lotions, you might trigger a false positive that leads to additional screening delays. Even more concerning, many airports now use facial recognition technology to track passengers before they even reach security. You might think you're anonymous in the crowd, but the system could already have flagged you based on previous travel history or behavior patterns. Everyone knows about the liquid restrictions, but here's a loophole that could save you significant hassle. Frozen liquids don't follow the same rules as regular liquids. You can actually carry frozen water bottles, necessary medications, and special dietary items through security in larger quantities as long as they're declared properly. The scanning technology reads frozen items differently than liquids, which creates this useful exception for senior travelers with medical or dietary needs. Think airport lounges are only for wealthy business travelers? That's exactly what airlines want you to believe. Many airports sell day passes to their lounges for less than you'd spend on a decent hotel room. Even better, certain credit cards with minimal annual fees provide free lounge access that most people never use. Instead of sitting in uncomfortable gate chairs surrounded by noise and chaos, you could be relaxing with complimentary refreshments, comfortable seating, and sometimes even shower facilities. For seniors, the calm environment and clean facilities make the small investment worthwhile. Those convenient charging stations scattered throughout airports come with a hidden danger called juice jacking. Cybercriminals can install malicious software inside public USB ports that compromises your device the moment you plug in. Always use your own charger with a standard wall outlet, or invest in a USB data blocker that prevents unwanted data transfer while still charging your device. Similarly, public airport Wi-Fi networks are notorious security risks. Hackers create fake networks with names like free airport Wi-Fi to steal personal information from unsuspecting travelers. Here's something that might make you feel foolish about celebrating early arrivals. Airlines routinely pad their flight schedules by adding extra time that doesn't actually exist. When your flight lands early, it's often not because of exceptional service or favorable winds. The airline simply built buffer time into the schedule so that delayed flights still appear punctual in their statistics. This scheduling manipulation is purely about corporate image, not passenger convenience. Airport pricing is designed to exploit your captivity. Once you pass through security, your food and shopping options become extremely limited, and airports take full advantage. That $14 sandwich and $6 bottle of water aren't just expensive, they're part of a systematic markup strategy. Airlines and airports know you're tired, hungry, and trapped with few alternatives. The simple solution is planning ahead with homemade snacks and an empty water bottle you can refill after security. Have you ever seen an almost empty plane take off and wondered why the airline didn't cancel the flight? These ghost flights happen because airlines value their takeoff and landing slots more than fuel costs or passenger convenience. Losing these valuable time slots at busy airports would cost them far more than operating nearly empty flights, so they continue these wasteful practices while passengers wonder about the environmental and economic waste. Your boarding pass contains a treasure trove of hidden information once you know how to decode it. The 2-letter airline code, flight number, and single-letter class designation all provide specific details about your journey. Lower flight numbers are typically reserved for an airline's most important routes, while your seat assignment reveals information about the aircraft layout and your boarding priority. Free upgrades do happen, but they're not random acts of kindness. Airlines prioritize loyal customers who've built status through frequent flyer programs. Arriving early to the gate increases your chances of being selected when economy class is oversold. Most importantly, treating airline staff with genuine kindness and respect can open doors that remain closed to demanding or rude passengers. Jet lag hits seniors particularly hard, but you can minimize its impact with smart preparation. Gradually adjust your sleep schedule toward your destination time zone several days before departure. Set your watch to destination time as soon as you board, stay hydrated while avoiding alcohol and excessive caffeine, and seek natural sunlight immediately after landing to reset your internal clock. Finally, here's a simple tip that makes a significant difference in post-flight comfort. Skip the first bathroom you see after landing, which will be crowded with passengers from multiple flights. Walk a bit further into the terminal where you'll find cleaner, quieter facilities with no wait time. And one last reminder before we wrap up. No matter how smart you travel, unexpected things still happen. Flights get delayed, luggage gets lost, and sometimes medical issues pop up overseas. That's why I personally use Generali travel insurance for peace of mind. They specialize in senior travel coverage, and it can honestly save you thousands if something goes wrong. You'll find the link below if you'd like to learn more. These secrets reveal that airports are carefully designed psychological battlefields where every detail is calculated to influence your behavior and spending. Now that you understand these hidden strategies, you can travel more confidently, spend more wisely, and avoid the most common traps that catch unsuspecting passengers. If you discovered something surprising today, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more insider travel wisdom that helps seniors navigate the increasingly complex world of modern air travel, because the airlines certainly won't share these secrets themselves. And if you enjoyed uncovering these hidden airport tricks, Tap the video on your screen right now to discover more travel secrets that can save you money on your next flight.